Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, it's Vea, and today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial, which is an evening makeup tutorial. And stay tuned and I'll be showing you how I do this makeup look.
I like me better when I'm with you.
Face, I'll be using first the Mimosa Aloe Vera Moisturizing Gel. Remember first before putting all of my makeup, so I'll be using the Poreless Primer from Minimelli, and I'm gonna put it onto my T-zone kasi dito mostly nag-stick on ang pores, ganyan. And to blur the pores, so put it on your T-zone, on your forehead, onto your chin, kasi dyan talaga mostly nagpo-pore up. For the brows, I'll be using the Dip Brow Pomade. So that I'll be using first was from the Ain't shop. I'll be using the Nichido Final Powder. I got it in the shade Creamy Glow. This is from James Charles Palettes, shade over here. Try ko tong Galancy palette kasi. Pink Bold and Back. Yung shade ng dark dito is I'll be doing for the lids, I'll be doing a little bit of concealer and then I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter. Now for the eyeliner, I'll be using one. I have a lot of eyeliners as well. I think I'll be using one from Careline. Thing I'll be doing was waterline my waterline. I'm using this first as warmth at my face kasi napakaputi na ng face ko guys today. Minimally, it has the contour and the bronzer. For blush, I'm not going to use that really intense blush. I'll be using one from Pink Flash. It's my favorite blush. Para siyang regular color. Pero maglalagay ako ng konting orange color. Also from Pink Flash. To intensify the blush that I'll be using. I put falsies, by the way. I forgot to put highlighter. So for the highlighter that I'll be using from the icing palette, this is from Claire's. I'm using a fan brush, then I'm putting a little bit of makeup setting spray. This is from Everytime, by the way. I'm taking this color on top of here and placing it sa high points ko. Now, I already put some falsies on. Kung di kayo kasanay sa falsies, actually, wag na kayo mag-falsies kung di na talaga kaya. Or mas maliit pa na falsies kung sakali. Kasi for me, malaki tong falsies na sinusuot ko today. This is from the Ain't Shop, which is the Buzz. So, ayan. So, now, let's proceed sa two products na lang, which is yung lipstick and yung mascara. So, for mascara, I'll be using was the Big Volume 1 mascara from Minimally. For my last lip color, I'll be using the Everytime Lip Define Matte Lipstick. I'm not going to use any lip pencil. Okay na to. Actually guys, kung dark or heavy yung eye makeup nyo, I think mas prefer na lang na more on natural lips na lang tayo kung mas bet nyo. So, ayan. Then, I'm gonna take a little bit of stark mauve. And then, I will be right back for the final look.
I like me better when I'm with you.